Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Lucid app for service and charging support, beginner guide step by step clearly. To register with the Lucid app for service and charging support, start by downloading the app from the App Store or Google Play Store. Once the app is installed, open it to begin the registration process. Tap on the Create Account option on the welcome screen. You will be prompted to enter your email address. Make sure to use a valid email that you have access to. After entering your email, create a strong password that meets the app's security guidelines. Confirm your password by entering it again in the designated field. Next, you will be asked to provide your first and last name. Fill in your personal information accurately. Then, tap on the Continue button to proceed. Check your email for a verification message from Lucid. Open the email and click on the verification link provided. This step confirms your email address and activates your account. Once verified, return to the app and log in using your email and password. After logging in, complete your profile with additional information such as your vehicle details. Ensure that all required fields are filled out correctly. You may also be asked to enable location services for better app functionality. This allows the app to provide precise service and charging location support. Review and accept any terms and conditions, as well as the privacy policy. Upon acceptance, you will access the main dashboard of the Lucid app. From here, you can navigate to service and charging support options. Explore the app to familiarize yourself with its features. This concludes your registration process for the Lucid app. You're now ready to enjoy service and charging support tailored to your needs. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.